Kwa Badwam TV Badwam so Kasiane Brasso say the bro and some the near to your mobi ya ubetini Closak editor aban enim one pension fund nedie was so any day man faunsa enka ya the honche mono so ebebro na yakoswa so aban ede atuja chimo se de ne bekeka kro no de IMF wo mo amuano ye dimu ani de bibia na kwemu se yensa akati usi de Wani aban na nyadwene eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase no wo Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de kwansuti seden sam no enchemo ankasa etie Deputy Executive Secretary the Civil and Local Government Staff Association ayi trinity ase Closak ora kojo kragani wode to aban nanim wosre no aban afoforo ewo nkrofo sika da ho no osre wo mo pa wo mo de ne de menhwe aban no hwe no wamfanensa anka all in the name of IMF bieni enra me de ase ena penifo de nsemi etudwa.
Recently, organized labor including Closak had to negotiate with government to exempt pension funds from the domestic debt exchange program. Keep off pension fund. We resolve to resist and fight any force that will attempt to tamper with the National Pensions Act 2008 at 766. Needs to be restructured. Now is the time, and now no more delays. SNIT needs to be restructured. Now is the time. Action now, no more delays. Workers, arise and protect your future. Happy May Day.
Ghana ban say wo enisuade hunu pa chirese Paris Club one more eba beboa wo mo say wo mo hwe ni mo say wo mo ne IMF board mpanifo betena se na afi won massage atomo no owogidie pa sekoi won mo betumi aboa na afi ye Ghana ye sika samo ntoto ye no agyina ne na so say dia ban peso wo ye Adom TV kase etwaso.
Government through the Financial Stability Council will monitor continuously the impact of the domestic debt exchange program on financial institutions to enable it to take remedial action if and when necessary. This will ensure that measures put in place to safeguard incomes, deposits, pensions, investor funds and assets are effective. After achieving a staff-level agreement with the IMF in December 2022 in record time, 6 months after beginning the negotiations in July 2022, we've continued to work tirelessly to complete all prior actions required to present Ghana's program to the IMF Executive Board for approval.
Nenso emfa ho se mampanyini ahye omanfo bono adwumayiku awodo mpanimfo ehunu se eni se aban no ede sikasam a enkoyie no ehye COVID-19 yade ene Russia no Ukraine entokwa Trade Union Congress eka eku a womo eko Workers Day dwumadie no osibi na won kyerɛkyerɛfo panyini Dr. Yauba editu dwa se enya de a aban IMF a wokɔ eneyi no ena ede ohawo a omanyi wo ewo sikasam ho no ebeba awiye ne senti aban empe bi foforo enye emfa ho.
COVID-19 and the war in Ukraine have only exposed the weakness of our economy and the economic policy framework that has guided economic management in Ghana in the last 40 years. The reason Ghana has had to seek IMF support almost every 3 years is largely due to the flaws in the way our economy has been managed based on the neoliberal free market ideology. We would like to reiterate our well-known position that the IMF program can never take us out of this crisis.
Yegusoya wo May Day kasa hodo ye course wo hodo na Secretary General Trade Union Congress Ura Yauba na se kasa biemu na osi akatua ana adwumayefo akatua ebetimi atomo de age se inflation no penifo ye bibi e de fa ho ba fom kra se ba fom dia eni ntumu bia adwumayefo ehia won sa betimi aka eno so nsam odi tudwa edi
The workers of Ghana have suffered a very significant decline in their real incomes. A permanent solution to this is to make sure inflation comes down. We expect government to provide leadership in this direction. We want to take this opportunity to serve notice that if inflation remains high, organized labor will continue to demand wage increases that reflect inflation and the high cost of living.
And ye made day ya no war and Quanta South wo Timantamuno, one so de to aban anim say one more won. Na adwumayfo nkwa ye kura wo ho ene ma board ne bibia nwanwuna nso sika de tie ne tie tie aban sesa ne mamuma won. Won so nsama wo de tuja eni.
1st of May 2023, we are celebrating this year's event under the theme Protecting Incomes and Pensions in an Era of Economic Crisis, Our Responsibility. And so it is a day we want to use to remind the government in a time of this crucial economic hardship that there is not a time to be touching the hard-earned monies of workers, nor touch the hard-earned monies of our pensioners.
Enwachi, my phone kaya nebo honso so. Any Adom kasi di sankomoi.
We are begging the government that with the prevailing economic conditions, things are not so good with all of us. So we are begging the last day negotiations, the necessary to have table some allowances like fuel allowance to trickle down to even the lowest rank. We are begging the government they should consider some of those things.
Necessary war a high kind of say workers because as it's an wash into near Sheffield about when they say on the Aketiano to mine now your map walk and their cost. And so so ready to a man necessary break.
And I'm saying, Aketiano, now next at Jumano, Tanka better than Yabashana, but the next 4 back to Aketiano said, and go ye, Titiana, Yawa, Mantama, Ewa, Umbrasine, Mantama, getting Emma Adisia,
And ye wo made ye muno. Chartered Insurance Institute of Ghana, CII, so one more. Edekasa ato ho a obi entie bie die entie hu hia sense achiba wodo ho ehyemo ebie na one president Solomon Lati and wo chiremo se ehon so se makwan na adwene bi enipa bi wo na insurance fo buye no odi esika nom ne ade no ombeyi ni nyina so de free ho no Adom TV kase edi nkomoyi.
Somebody who asks, why are we doing a walk and coming to do cleanup? We just want to bring awareness to Ghanaians. If you have insurance and you don't tell the world about it, it's a crime. It's like being a Christian or preaching about Christ. Okay, so we feel it's our responsibility to let the world know about the good things insurance can do. Currently, the world is facing crisis. There's global warming, there's economic crisis, there are political crises all over. All these things are protected by insurance. But who nimua insurance boy insurance bunyading insurance bunyading, but because I ain't and we want to bring awareness to the entire Ghanaians. Say insurance is a good thing. We want to sacrifice. Today is a holiday. We want to use it to sensitize people that insurance is around.
Enye nantie nkuto na womo edigu akwam CIIG dwumako no esan ebowura eponano esisa efia wodo bi a na ewo ho eno nso no ensem sei na president na edito Adom News in Central for anim.
At the moment, we have the president of the Insurance Brokers Association of Ghana with us. He is the one who is organizing this event. So you can imagine. The president of Ghana Insurance Association is here. He was my right-hand man throughout the walk. Everybody in the insurance industry is here. What I say? Insurance phone back together. So one of the things I'm doing is to bring everybody together to push the insurance agenda. I was saying insurance with life, so funeral policies, health, your property.
International Youth Network for UN Security Council resolution. And a one more pound penny for a for ya one more share International Youth Network so the numono Ghana manual form penny for who will be a demo and Neora Hobson Nadoye ya UNICEF Global Chair Adom International Youth Network a UNSCR 2025 Adom TV Kasia Koho etwaso
near aban impenimfo ye biano ye kyerɛkyerɛ omo eti every constituency biano ye wo youth MP wo honum na wo study senior MPC ye wo modwuma ene ade se akwanya bama wa wura parliament a wonim ne wo ye
Enwechi ena Gordon Kusi apia hina wono ena ye country director eda IUN UNSCR 2250 ano enso edito emebunu no enim se asumdwe wu hia pa ne senti ena sa adwumade ya ba ebetete mebunu no ewo amanwasam a asumdwe ewo mu sebayi a obetimi aye bie na wode aboa ama wadwenkyira wode ebeto dwa ewo amanwasam ho no so empanifo etie na sopamu.
We are urging every youth to come on board. Sebayi this idea that network we see any so no ebetimi achieve in the near future no the reign of this country will be taken by the youth.
Isanse International Youth Network wamaye ne semra shebedwafie nti awamra shebedwafo chief of staff and president Harvey Delasi Elom and ye youth president ono so edin semsei and tudwa e wodwumedie no ase.
Many young people have aspirations to become youth, to become ministers of state, diplomats, members of parliament, in order to make impact in their societies, their communities, and their environment. And I am strong of the conviction that this great initiative will be the springboard for that to happen.
Say aduchum de atudwa won ye de won batumi bia na won mo si ye adankra ebefa girls dormitory be 600 beds the ama Christ the King SHS wo akaporiso wo bose mantam no emu Adom TV kase etwaso
santiman mu ha na ye nsrahwe aye fiti ase na edru oboase nso yakọ oboase sectec yaba Christ the King any school for sia any teacher for sia ya omo aka ne ehia omo akire yen so ya akire omo kwan be fa so a ebetimi di mpuntu aba ha Christ the King ha omo boys girls dormitory bia akona nimpa nti e konkra akohwe kwan be fa so eba na behwe no mo wie ama omo na maya no nya baby papa ada.
Headmaster Edema Christ the King ewo Boise East owusu jima enso nsem odi tudwani
yellow bus 2010 ane ensa kan na nsan etu se free ha kokuma se kura kofa aduane a eduru anwan kwanta na a break it down ne akoji ofun ase kokko ben for de ana akofa aduane na ba na nsan ne yetumi aputu ni in order etumi kokuma se eba na girls dormitory nso enni ha no classroom ane manida omo dormitory ankasa kura no they have problems na hwe ma ye that classroom nti senkomutumi be wia ebeboa
District Chief Executive for Boise East Faustina Emisa enso edin nsɛmsi na tudwa
Mamini kanda na sekra say enne na watimi abanan aba Christ the King secondary school and any school nkwalano omi adwuma school ha no ho bedi nkita ho enno no ema nipa ne hunu say ba bi owo no ochitafo bi mpanifo ani hwe omo ente beboa pa de amamani age ho kra ne say ye girls dormitory a yaka ho asam be ye emreka kra abetin ko a ye nwie ye enye enema ba ko mienu bi a esi contractor no ene enema nketenkete be panka sabre nka yere dada a yentimi nwie ye odani abehwe na wasaahye ye bo say wokoi anamon bi a wose otu oboa na one MP kabom wo moye ama bia enduru afre say bia nyakopo ado bibia nsi ya na nka ye wie no na mmani agye pa